Sudah.
First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I went to presentation and talking about technology, and then need confirmation after the Mr. Aditya Bagus. The question number one for Mr. Aditya Bagus. Looking at your impressive background in the field of technology, will you share with us how your career journey initially began? Furthermore, what were the major turning points that ultimately shaped your path to where you are today?
Okay, thank you. But honestly, I don't think my background is impressive. I believe many people in technology have gone through similar journey. I began my undergraduate studies in 2014, and I was interested not only in programming, but also I interest in networking and IT infrastructure. I was always curious about how system works behind and how different technology can be integrated. This interest was reflected in my final project where I developed an IoT project, Internet of Things. I make an automatic clothes drying system using fuzzy logic. This project combined hardware, networking, and software, and it gave me valuable experience in integrating different technology domains. After graduation, I joined a software house in Surabaya. During my work, I had opportunity to learn web development using one of popular PHP framework, which is called Laravel. There, I was developed several web-based applications, including ERP, Internet Resource Planning, and Human Resource Information System. About 1.5 years later, I get a job opportunity in ITS, and I decided to apply. Fortunately, I was accepted as a web developer.
Okay. Yes, very nice, Mr. Raditya, and thanks for your answer. And the next question, number two, reflecting on your time as a university student, what was your ultimate dreams job back then? How have the rapid shift and dynamics within the tech industry influenced or made your decision over time?
When I was a student, my dream was simple: to work as an IT professional. I did not have a specific goal of becoming software developer, AI engineer, cybersecurity, or any particular role. What mattered most to me was working in a field that was aligned with my interest in technology and allow me to continuously learn and grow.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Aditya, for your answer. Thank you very much. And the next from my friend, Balang Ubadia or Josefania or Mr. Faruk Nafisi. Please your question.
Okay, Mister. Sorry. you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. This question, in an era where technology is evolving at unprecedented pace, what do you consider to be the most significant challenge in your current role? Additionally, how do you usually navigate and overcome those challenges?
One of the biggest challenge today is keeping up with the rapid pace of technological change. Every year, new platform, tool, and technology emerge, making it impossible to learn everything. In my own experience, I started my career primarily as a web developer, my focus was on building and maintaining web applications. However, as technology evolved, new concepts and tools such as Docker, container, Kubernetes, cloud native became increasingly important. Instead of staying within my original role, I decided to learn these technologies step by step. I spent my time in experimenting, taking online course, reading documentation, and applying what I learned in real projects. Over time, this expand my skill to be gradually led me into DevOps engineer.
Okay, thank you. Next question.
Okay, Mr. Aditya. Next question for me. The field of computer science and informatics is incredible, dynamic, yet highly demanding. What was the driving force or the core inspiration that made you decide to firmly pursue and sustain a career in this particular domain?
For me, the biggest motivation is the impact of the technology can I create. I enjoy seeing how a system or application can improve efficiency, simplify the process, and help people accomplish their goals. Another reason is that technology is constantly evolves. There is always something new to learn, which makes this field exciting and challenging at the same time. I believe that continuous learning is the one of the most rewarding aspects of working in this technology.
Okay, Mr. Aditya. Next question for Frank is Josefania Trisaputri.
Okay, okay, Mister. This is the last question. To wrap up, what crucial skill, what hard and soft skills should we, as students, prioritize to successfully break into and compete in this industry? What is the most valuable piece of advice you could offer us?
For hard skill, I recommend building a strong fundamental in programming, database, networking, and AI. Technology will change, but strong fundamental will always remain valuable. And then the next is soft skill. Communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management are very, very important. In the workplace, your ability to collaborate and communicate often determine how effectively you can apply your technical knowledge. In addition, building a solid portfolio is essential. A portfolio demonstrates your practical experience, showcase your projects, and provides tangible evidence of your skill to recruiters. If I could give one piece of advice, it would be like this. Small progress is still progress. Focus on becoming a consistent learner. Okay.
Thank you for the answering, Mister.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, that's the last question from Stefania Teresa. Thank you all team. And about Mr. Aditya, I think your answer is very nice. And thank you for your permission. That's doesn't matter whatever I say. I think thank you very much, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
And I say we can close the good team and last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Stefania, for your response. Okay, Okay, first of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, all my teams, all my friend, Miss Josephania, Mr. Galang, and Mr. Faruk. Good afternoon. Thank you for your joining today meeting. Our main focus today is to review the key takeaways from our previous interview with Mr. Uh, Aditya. Instead of facing the full recording, our team members will be presenting the core insights, data, and critical points they have captured from the session. Uh, the goal here is to align on his feedback, discuss the most impactful findings, and decide on our next steps. And before we dive in, let's start with a quick moment of silence or prayer according to our safety life. Finish. So that our session runs smooth. Right, thank you. Without anything further, I'll hand the floor over the teams to kick it over of the review. What is presenting first, and the stage is yours. Next, my friend. Okay, lanjut closing. That's all right. My team is very good. That review is very nice. All right, everyone. That concludes our review session. A huge thank you the team for breaking down the interview with Mr. Aditya so clearly, and thank you to everyone else for the great input and discussion. We definitely walk away with some fantastic actionable and insights today. The notes and key action items from this meeting will be compiled, be compared, and shared in our group again shortly. Before we run up and close the meeting, does anyone have any final question or token to add? I think it's no. And from this meeting, for my team, all my team, Chris Jasvania, Mr. Faruk, and Mr. Galang, and for me, myself, I think nothing. Thank you for your attention and
Career aspiration and adaptation to industry change. In this section, I will discuss how Mr. Aditya career goal evolved over time. When he was a university student, his dream was simple to work as an IT professional. Unlike many students today who aim for specific roles such as AI engineer, cybersecurity, specialist, or data science, we focus on entering the technology field and continuing to learn. We find this perspective very interesting because it shows flexibility and openness to opportunities. Instead of limiting himself to a specific career path, he focus on building knowledge and experience. As technology continues to evolve, career paths along things Mr. Aditya's experience demonstrates that success in the technology industry does not always require a fixed destination from the beginning. Uh, Being adaptable and willing to learn can be just as important as having a specific career goal. This lesson is especially relevant for such students because the technology industry today is changing faster than ever before. Okay, next, my friend.
Yes, Mr. Farooq, thank you for this question. Now, I will
Okay,
discuss the challenge highlighted during the interview. According to Mr. Aditya, one of the biggest challenge in the technology field is keeping up with rapid technologies change. Every year, new tools, frameworks, and platforms emerge, making it impossible to master everything. What impressed us most is how he responded to this challenge. Instead of filling our helmet. He chose to learn continuously. He studied Docker, Kubernetes, containerization, and cloud-native technologies through online courses, documentasi, and hands-on practice. As a result, his career expanded from web development into DevOps engineering. From our perspective, this demonstrates the importance of a growth mindset. Technology professional must accept that learning never stops. The ability to adapt and continuously acquire new skill is essential for long-term success. This section of the interview teaches us the challenge should be viewed as opportunities for professional growth rather than obstacles. And discussion next for Josefania.
Okay, thank you, Galang. Finally, I will discuss the motivation and advice shared by Mr. Aditya. His primary motivation is the positive impact that technology can create. He enjoys seeing how system and application improve efficiency, simplify process, and help people achieve their goals. Regarding skills, he emphasizes both hard skill and soft skill. For hard skill, he recommended building strong foundation in programming, database, networking, and artificial intelligence. This fundamental remain valuable even as technology changes. For soft skill, he highlight communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. The skills are important because technical expertise alone is not enough in a professional environment. He also stressed the importance of building a portfolio. A strong portfolio demonstrates practical experience and allow recruits to see evidence of a candidate ability. The most memorable advice from the interview was small progress is still progress. Focus on becoming a consistent learner. We believe this message perfectly summarizes the interview. Success in technology is not achieved overnight. It is the result of continual learning, persistence, and steady improvement over time. Thank you. This just that about interview from us. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Salam. Salam please. Barengan. Oh no, anjir. Udah, salam, tutup.
Assalamualaikum.
Tapi kalau Surya nutup mana sembarang sih.
Iya,
Aku mau
gak apa-apa
sungkan.
sembarang. Jadi kau tak patenan ya. Ya, bagi matiin
Kan
recording.
kan menenan dilang.
Ya, ning kampus. Apa?
Forensik digital please.